I thought I'll put
Thank you for
Sikandar
that
on
help.
the right track. Acha.
No pressure, my lord.
आप कौन सा पढ़े?
My lord,
57?
may I start with 57 first?
Why not? पढ़े.
Because that, my lord, just to demonstrate, and I know my lord has said कि अच्छा चले मैं पढ़ देता हूँ.
पढ़ें,
I
फिर बताएं.
apologize.
Because I can then appreciate.
I know, my lord. I've
Not
noticed.
appreciate your arguments.
I know, my lord. 57, my lord. Notification of election program. On a lighter note, my lord, my copy says election programmed, which I noticed. I think it's printed as such. My lord, I will read two. Within 7 days of the announcement of under subsection 1, which is the poll date, the Commission shall, by notification in the Official Gazette and by publication on its website, call upon the voters of the notified assembly constituencies to elect their representatives in accordance with an election program which shall stipulate, and I will just read A, B, C, and F. The last date for making nominations, which shall be the 6th day after the day of publication of the notification, or if that day is a public holiday, the next succeeding day, which is not a public holiday. The last date for publication of names of nominated candidates, which shall be the day following the last date of filing of nomination papers. The last date for scrutiny of nominations, which shall be the 8th day immediately following the last day for making nominations. And F, my lord, the last date for publication of revised list of candidates, which shall be the day following the last day for decisions. Then, my lord,
Decision of
G, the last date for withdrawal of candidature, which shall be the date following the last date of publication of revised list. And H, the date, this is crucial and most relevant, the date for allocation of symbols to contesting candidates and publication of list of contesting candidates, which shall be the day following the last date for withdrawal of candidature, or if that day is a public holiday, the next succeeding day. I won't say anything, I'll just move on to reading it. I won't give my own comments, my lord.
Sikandar, could I come to that question that I had asked earlier? That if you file the nomination paper, you file the certificate with it, there is a possibility that there are 2 or 3 candidates for the same party for that constituency?
G.
So they could all go through, and then who would get the symbol?
My lord, so, my lord, what is relevant also is
Party. All the 3 cannot vote. No, regular, general seats.
general seats pe, we get candidate A, B, and C.
From one party. They
From
all-
the single party?
Yes, that's-
no, my lord.
that's not possible?
That's not possible
Party head.
because there is this other concept which I'm going to come to, which is
Covering
No.
candidates होते हैं ना?
वो तो withdraw हो जाते हैं.
last date.
Hey, so
Last date.
that's what I want to understand.
I will
That
explain
when you
it.
file the nomination paper, they could just have one ticket, right? One person will have a ticket. How does the covering candidate come in?
यही my lord, I'll come to the punchline.
Withdraw करना.
My lord, नहीं जी.
नहीं, file
Sir, ये नहीं होता. Practice में ये this is what the law is, and we're coming to the second. My lord, the election symbol, the party affiliation ticket जो है, that is only submitted at stage 7. It is never given by anyone at stage 1.
That's what I'm
That's
saying.
why my lord's example, you can have A, B, and C from the same party.
That's right.
Then ultimately only one of them can have a common.
That's exactly the question. And the nomination
That to some
paper
extent-
is slightly defective in the sense the nomination
Yes.
paper envisages that
Absolutely.
you have to do it at that moment, but it's happening later.
Absolutely.
Because they'll have to pinpoint one
Absolutely.
person.
And that's why I said that, my lord, it
Party
says
head does this. Party head does this.
the
Party head.
क्या चीज does what I beg
ये
your
मेरा कैंडिडेट है.
जी
या वो खुद फैसला करना.
My lord, वो अपनी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के मुताबिक वो जो भी empowered होता है वो पार्टी affiliation ticket issue करता है. The Elections Act does not regulate. We take it as face value.
So
You have no.
And invariably, we have no say, and invariably it's the chairman or
Am I
the
right in understanding that this, the second I belong to this political party which says it will have the party ticket attached is not to be read? It's
Yes,
not
my lord, and that's why I said that it says this, and it's actually misleading and inaccurate. It is
वो बाद में आ जाए.
usko, and sir, isme in practice I've seen seen many nomination forms. कभी कभार वो हाथ से candidate लिखता है कि party affiliation ticket will be given at the time of allocation of symbol.
ठीक है, उस वक्त फैसला होगा कि किसने
Exactly.
करना है।
वो हमेशा यही होता है, my lord. This is my submission.
This correction should have been made.
Obviously, it should be made. It's very misleading and it creates an impression which is cleared by section 66, 67.
अच्छा, सिकंदर एक
Sir.
क्वेश्चन यहीं
My
पर
lord.
फॉर
My
क्लैरिफिकेशन
lord.
A, B and C file nomination papers for party A.
जी.
And at the time of filing of the ticket, one person gets the ticket.
Exactly, ji.
If other two do not withdraw, they become the independent.
Exactly. They become independent by operation of law. If they wish, if they don't withdraw by that date,
They don't withdraw.
that's what I said, sir. कि If you can withdraw until then.
How
If
do
you,
they become independent?
I'll come to that, G. They become independent because
The nomination form of that candidate says I'm a candidate of party.
it doesn't become, and I'll just come. Let me read
Does he
66.
become-
Sikandar,
My lord, I'm just going to answer that by reading
The
67.
question is, how does he become independent?
Bilkul. I will answer this.
That's a different question from,
Actually, I'll answer both. I'll answer both. The answer, I think I've understood my lord's question. My lord also.
सिकंदर सिर्फ ये बता दें, if I have correctly understood you, that the election symbol is the determinant factor for identifying a candidate to be a political party's candidate or not. Is that your case?
Yes.
How do you
common election symbol is the symbol. My lord, there's two kinds of symbols.
how do you reconcile this with subsection 2 of section 215?
My lord, 215, so I'm not even reading it, but I know it's the section for allocation of symbols.
No, it is a
For that, 215 says,
अब 66
when combination of political
66 और
parties.
67 पढ़ेंगे
my lord, मैं पढ़ना चाह रहा हूँ, but I have to answer every question that's asked of me.
Let's get.
My lord regulates the
No,
proceedings.
no,
I will-
let's get the rules. By all means, note the questions. Maybe in your submission, it will get answered. Maybe it doesn't get answered.
Fair
So
enough.
at least I can understand it becomes very difficult to
My lord,
address so
fair
many
enough.
questions simultaneously. आप
I'll come
अभी
to
आप रुक गए, फिर आप 66 पढ़ना था.
जी,
वो फिर आप
मैं आ गया 66 पे, and I'm grateful, my lord, for
जी.
66, my lord. My lord, 66 and 67 in my humble submission will answer, my lord, Mr. Justice.
पढ़िए.
Candidate to file certificate of party affiliation. A contesting candidate before seeking allotment of a prescribed symbol shall file a declaration before the returning officer about his affiliation with a particular political party, if any, along with a certificate from the political party showing that he is that party's candidate from the constituency. 67. 1. If after withdrawal, if any, there are more than one contesting candidates in the constituency, the returning officer shall allot, subject to any direction of the commission, one of the prescribed symbols to each contesting candidate.
Prescribed means
My lord, prescribed means prescribed by rules. There are two separate sets of symbols. There are two pools. One pool is for general seats and there's a separate pool for independents. And the rules regulate this. And all the symbols are provided in the rules. A candidate nominated by a political party at an election in any constituency shall be allotted symbol allocated by the commission to that political party under the provisions of chapter 12 and no other symbol. A candidate, this is my answer, my lord, a candidate not nominated by any political party, hereinafter called as independent candidate, shall choose and shall be allotted one of the symbols not allocated to any political party in the following manner.
नहीं, अगर कोई कैंडिडेट लिख दे बेशक कि मैं फलां पार्टी से हूँ,
जी।
वो मानी नहीं रखता, मानी वो
Jab
रखता
tak-
है।
ja- My lord, it's a, you have to do two
फिर
things.
आपने वही किया.
My lord, I apologize.
आपने नोट करें ना क्वेश्चन.
Noted,
अब
my lord.
चलिए आगे पढ़ने फिर हम फिर आ जाइएगा उस पे सवाल.
ठीक है जी. My lord, then I read section 68.
ये खत्म हो गया ये आप.
जी, my lord, मैंने क्योंकि वो नीचे तो it's not relevant to me. The point.
चलिए आगे पढ़े.
नहीं, इसमें जरा देखिए, आप जो
पूरा पढ़ लेना पूरा.
ठीक है जी,
अभी
बिल्कुल.
आप जो बात कर रहे हैं
Sir.
वकील साहब, आप जो बात कर रहे हैं कि जो अभी आपसे सवाल किया गया कि एक कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी में 3 कैंडिडेट नॉमिनेशन फॉर्म भरते हैं फॉर पार्टी ए. आप कह रहे हैं कि एट द टाइम ऑफ एलोकेशन ऑफ सिंबल वो पार्टी ए सिर्फ एक कैंडिडेट को अपना देती है, ऑल्दो दे
और शायद तीनों को ना दे।
चले एक को दे दिया,
चलें ठीक है जी।
लेट्स टेक अ सिंपलर एग्जांपल,
ठीक है जी।
एक को दे दिया, बाकी दो कैंडिडेट रह गए,
जी।
ठीक है ना, कि उनको नॉमिनेट नहीं किया।
जी।
आप कह रहे हैं कि अब उनको इंडिपेंडेंट कंसिडर किया जाएगा
जी।
क्योंकि उनकी पार्टी ने उनको नॉमिनेट नहीं किया।
Because he is not someone who is nominated in terms of the law by a party.
मैं समझ रहा हूँ,
ये तो आप
लेकिन
पूरा पढ़
यहाँ
तो
पे यहाँ पे फैक्ट जरा फर्क है।
जी सर।
यहाँ पे द पार्टी वॉज अनएबल टू nominate the political nominate a candidate and to give him that symbol कि इसको ये symbol दो, because सुप्रीम कोर्ट की जजमेंट थी कि इसको symbol नहीं मिल सकता।
ठीक है जी।
Is this is your case that this situation is also covered by this?
जी सर, because at the end of the day, सर आखिरी जो आपका वर्ड्स है,
देखिए,
जी।
आप पढ़ना नहीं चाहते हैं?
inability,
मैं-
एक है inability of the party to at all give the symbol,
ठीक
एक
है जी।
है